Thanks for joining me today. Let's roll that intro and let's see what we got today for the Skyline. Eating lunch here really quick, and then we're gonna head back to the house and then start working on the Skyline and then take it to the shop to get the decat put on because the rust is so bad, as you guys saw in the previous video, which is gonna be right here on the right hand side, that little thingy, that flag. But yeah, so yeah, cool. We'll update you guys once we're there. Cool. All right, y'all, so we're back here at the house. We're gonna go ahead and install the intake and open her up more before we get the cat there. So go ahead and do this and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. So here we go. All right, so we got the box out, filter, there's the 3 bolts, and there's the box. So what you have to do this is take this piece out, then you have to take that reader off and then put the adapter on it there, and then you can stick the cone over it. So we're gonna do that next and I'll show you guys that. Cheers. Just kidding. So you really wanna be careful with this part because this is the MAF sensor for the Skyline, and looks like this thing is really old. You know, I don't know if you guys can see that there. I didn't do that, but yeah, so we're gonna go and adapt the adapter for this. We can just stick the cone on there and it opens it up, and since I'm relocating the turbo, I really won't need to get like intake because the whole thing is gonna get readjusted and stuff. So this will do for now and it should work out, so let's do it. Okay, so the part you want to get to adapt to this piece right here is going to be this piece right here. It's a vibrant MAF adapter. Essentially, you take this, then you take the cone, stick it on there, and then voila, you have a intake that goes directly in there without the stock air box. So I would suggest this if you guys like the stock look or just want better airflow and you're not planning to relocate the turbo. This is going to be a good idea and good power gains and stuff like that. So definitely gonna go do this, and I should be almost done. This took about maybe 10 minutes to do. It's just really hot out and humid right now since it's been raining really a lot here in Arizona. But I hope you guys are enjoying this so much, or a lot better, and I hope this helps you out if you're trying to replace your RB 25, 20, 26, doesn't matter, and it's still stock, but you know, this is gonna help out a lot. And yeah, we're gonna use a dry filter. Use a dry filter so you don't mess up your sensor in there, because this thing is old. And then when you're breaking loose the nuts right there, take a socket wrench and then just screw it out with a normal driver so you don't damage the sensor or the computer that's on there. But yeah, so let's go and put this on, mount it, hook it up, and head to the exhaust shop. Is be careful when you're opening that package. Oh, and also you can go and get this adapter through Concept Z. It's 20 bucks. They can ship it to you wherever you're at, or if you're near Arizona, you can pick it up. But yeah, very good. So it's just pretty much just goes right there. Cone goes right there, and then you're good to go. So let's go and do that. Let's put it on and let's get going. All right, guys. So there it is, installed and ready to go. So let's take these off here. But yeah, I know this isn't as good as a placement as it should be, but I'm gonna go ahead and start it so you guys can hear it first time. Made the phone go down. So yeah, there it is, guys. That's how you install that intake. Pretty good stuff. All right, guys, so now that we have the intake installed, it's a lot of gas. Now that we have the intake installed, we should be good to go. So yeah, we're gonna go to the exhaust shop now and get the cat installed, hopefully with some success. So let's go and I'll take you guys there. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but let me see if let me do a third gear pull. This thing is crazy. hope you guys can hear that, but if not, you know, yeah, whatever. It sounds good though. It does have a little bit more power to it as well, so yeah, I just wanted to share that really quick. But we're almost there to the exhaust shop. Hopefully they can get this cat on, so hopefully they're not busy. But yeah, let's go. All right, y'all, so we are here today at the exhaust shop again. The guys who did the exhaust muffler, these are Twins mufflers. They're here on Power Road in Arizona. Check them out. They do awesome work. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out and see if they can get the cat off the car. So let's go inside and wait. What's up, guys? So we're here at Twins Muffler with Juan.
What's up, y'all? Right here at Twins Mufflers.
Yeah.
Exhaust. We're gonna handle this little cat removal.
Oh, so we're gonna take this bad boy off. This thing's been a pain in the butt. So this is what I mean. It looks like a World War II ship. Look at that. It's like so rusted. But yeah, so we're here. If you guys are here in Mesa, dude, seriously, they did my exhaust. Like, really good work right here. I want to show you guys this because I don't think I showed you guys a really good video of it. So there's the Kakimoto exhaust muffler, and there's that. They welded and bended that. It's money, bro, money. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and hopefully get this cat off. And then the next thing would be this downpipe. That downpipe's got to go. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Thanks for joining me today. And like I said, you know, like this video, it helps me out a lot. And come hang out with me. So see you guys later. No rust underneath this car. Check this out. Clean, clean, clean chassis. Other than, of course, the downpipe. That's just a covering that's been eaten away. But clean all the way around, yo. This is a pristine. I love this car. Thank you, guys. Seriously, this car is beautiful. Here she is. Downpipe. It's a little turbo right there. Gotta replace that. Hey, that's gonna be cool.
It's all good. The bolt's hot. So there it is, brother. You use the same bolt.
Dang, forget that bolt. Awesome work, man. Thank you, bro.
You can still do it.
Last one. We finally got that bolt off. This is probably like, if you guys have R33, R32, any R like Skylines or anything imported, just take that off already, get a decat, and just call it a day. But yeah, so I'll update you guys once the cat's on. We're just gonna go remove this stuff and go from there. It's from AutoBahn 88, but nice thing is it comes with gaskets, everything that you need. So this is it. There they are, laser washers, gaskets, bolts. So yeah. All right, so check this out. Cat's finally off. Finally.
Like that. Going down, y'all.
Let's see it.
Get it.
Yes.
All right, bro. There's a TMT right here. We're gonna hear it first start without the cat. Yeah. It's still a little quiet, yeah. Oh, but you can hear it back here though. It's clean.
Hey, y'all, so the cat's been removed. The pedal and then the clutch and everything, just responsive wise, sounds and feels so much better. And I can tell it's gained a lot more power from the intake today that we installed, as well as getting that cat removed. So let's go ahead and I'll do a third gear pull. So I'm gonna slow it down a little bit right here, and hopefully you guys can hear the car doing the pull. So I'm gonna try this hopefully by while recording. So throw in the third. Here we go. But yeah, I hope you guys heard that. That was cool. Alright, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog video. I know it was kind of long, but it's been so great. So I hope you guys enjoyed the new sound of the Skyline. The next pieces here are the ready intake manifold and a new intercooler. It's time to cool this bad boy and reroute some things and get some new tubing. So I think that's what I'm going to work on. I'm going to save up a little bit and get some of the tubing there. But go ahead and subscribe right here, and don't forget to check out that video and like it down below, because this is the only way that you guys can support me by doing this stuff. So it's the only way to support me. So yeah, go ahead and give it a like, and if you guys want to see more, let me know down in the comments what you think. And thanks for joining in. I'll see you guys on the next one.